Hello everyone. So I got this from the mail yesterday, but I wasn't able to receive it personally because I was out all day due to the bake sale at Concentrix. But we are opening it today. So this is actually a passport, my passport, because I have applied for a Schengen visa, and it has been 3 weeks of anxiety. I was so scared if I would get approved, because for the first time that I have been applying for visas, I have applied for Japan, South Korea, UK visa. Everything was approved, but this one I am so scared because I really wanted this so bad. And I applied for a Schengen visa at the Belgium embassy, which is, when you Google it, it is one of the hardest to give a Schengen visa because they are very tedious when it comes to your documents. Sometimes it takes about a month to 45 days to release your passport. So let's see. I'm so freaking scared. I'm opening it now. Oh gosh, I'm so scared. Lord, please, positive. Gosh, Lord. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I got the visa. I'm going to Belgium. Yes. Shocks. Shocks. It's a single entry, which is okay, because this shocks. Because the initial plan is to go to UK. That's the initial plan. I'm going to UK on October. And I just, on the whim, I just thought of why not apply for a Schengen visa, because I found cheap tickets from UK, from Manchester to Belgium. So why not apply for a visa? I just tried it. I think I only prepared for like 5 to 8 days. I sent 41 pages of documents to prove my ability to travel to the Schengen area. And I got it. I got it. Charles. Anyway, I'm very away right now. Thank you, Lord. So we're going to Europe with a side trip. We're going to UK with a side trip to Belgium, and then Luxembourg, and then Netherlands, and hopefully France. But not going to Paris. I'm going to Nice, I think. I think that's the nearest. But of course, because this is all DIY, and I'll be using trains and all that, this would be the itinerary would not be fixed. I would, on that day, whatever comes into mind, I'm going to do that. So anyway, it's gonna be Belgium, UK, Belgium for sure, and then Luxembourg, and then what else. Oh my God, I'm so overwhelmed. Thank you, Lord God. I'm going to Belgium.